Hi, I'm Tammy. So today we're going to make a Gold Rush. And as you can see, we're camping out here at Mosquito Lagoon, so I have some limited resources. So I'm going to use limes instead of lemons, and I can't really measure everything. So I'll tell you exact amounts, doesn't mean I'm using them. All right, so first off I have ice in a shaker. And there's also flies. So we're gonna use 2 ounces of bourbon. Or you're supposed to use 2 ounces of bourbon. And then I'm gonna use 3/4 ounce of honey, and I mixed this honey with water to make it a little bit easier to shake up and pour. And the honey that I have is this AR's hot southern honey, and there'll be a link to this, and you can look at that or just use whatever honey you like. And then 3/4 ounce of lemon. I don't have any lemon because we're camping, so I'm using limes. And I'm just going to squeeze in some lime. So won't be exact, but it's still going to be delicious. Okay. And then I'm going to shake this up. Normally, you would strain this drink over some nice ice cubes. We have limited ice out here, so I'm going to use the ice in my shaker. Whew. It's also spilling. I guess I can use that. All right. That is a Gold Rush. If you're at home, garnish it with a nice lemon. Again, I don't have any. All right. Cheers. It's really good. You can taste the bourbon, but it's really nice and smooth. I'm not the biggest bourbon fan, but this is a great drink. Thanks for watching. For all you guys that can't wait till the evening to start sipping your bourbon, I've just given you a reason to start drinking in the middle of the day.